In this video, I will show you how to live stream on TikTok using your computer. I will go step by step so anyone can follow along. Even if you have never done it before, by the end of this video, you will be able to go live on TikTok from your computer easily. Let's get started. First, open Chrome and go to the search bar and type in TikTok Live Studio. Click on this link here, then click on download for Windows. Wait for a few seconds until it's downloaded, and once it's downloaded, go to the top right here and open the downloads folder. Click here to install it, then click on install. Once it's installed, go to the bottom left and open the start menu and search TikTok Live Studio. Then open the application here. As you can see here now, first, very important, you have to log into the correct TikTok account that you want to go live in. Then here you can choose whether you wanna game capture or do a phone camera. You can also, for example, capture game while also being on camera. You can do that by clicking on add source, then click on game capture, then click on add again and click on camera. You can also add other features here. Once you finish, click on go live here. And this is how you can go live on TikTok from your computer. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next video.